Namaskar, good evening. You're watching Nation Wants to Know and I'm Swati Joshi. It's been a week since a high-intensity blast shook the national capital, killing 10 people. The investigation has uncovered a chilling doctor terror network and authorities say the plot was far bigger and darker than imagined. A coordinated strike across 6 cities was planned for 6th of December. Handwritten diaries recovered from the accused reveal a meticulous terror playbook. Target lists, recruitment pitches, fund routes, encrypted protocols, every detail recorded, every move pre-scripted. And yet, amid this clinching probe, politics refuses to take a back seat. PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti has once again stirred controversy, offering a brazen pro-terror spin, linking Delhi blast to unrest in Kashmir and alleging the government has created a poisonous atmosphere in Jammu Kashmir since 2019. Listen in.
दिल्ली वाले लोगों को ये समझ है या वो ये सोचते हैं जितना हिंदू मुस्लिम होगा, जितना ब्लास्ट होंगे, जितना खून खराबा होगा, उतना मुल्क में पोलराइजेशन ज्यादा होगा, उनको वोट मिलेंगे। आपने दुनिया को बोला कश्मीर में सब ठीक हो गया, मगर अब देखिए कश्मीर का मुसीबत जो हमारी थी वो परसों रेड फोर्ट लाल किले के सामने बोल पड़ी। अगर आप में से किसी लीडर के दिल में दर्द है इस मुल्क का, क्योंकि खाली जब जम्मू कश्मीर में नौजवान पढ़ा लिखा डॉक्टर अपने ऊपर आरडीएक्स बांध के अपनी जान उड़ाएगा, उसके साथ कई लोगों को उड़ाएगा, तो मुल्क में तो कोई सेफ्टी नहीं है। आप तो सिर्फ हिंदू मुस्लिम करते रहोगे, आपको बेशक वोट मिलेगा, मगर मुल्क कहां जाएगा?
Just as the political storm rages over Mehbooba Mufti's explosive remarks, Congress leader Hussain Dalwai has added fresh fuel to fire. Dalwai has linked the blast to unrest in Kashmir, echoing the same controversial line that has already ignited debate. He has gone a step further, demanding an investigation into the role of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh in the incident.
जिस ढंग से कश्मीर में अन्याय हो रहा है, उसका भी परिणाम कुछ होगा, ये मानना चाहिए। पी चिदम्बरम साहब, वो भी देश के होम मिनिस्टर रहे हैं, उनको बहुत अच्छी तरह से मालूमात है। तो वो जो बोलते हैं कि अंदरूनी मामला भी इसमें होगा, अंदरूनी आतंकवाद होगा, तो इसकी जांच होना चाहिए। इसका मतलब ऐसा है कि आरएसएस जिस ढंग से प्रचार वगैरह करती है, ऋतुम्बरा का ये आया था, उनको वो छोड़े, तो क्या सरकार आरएसएस का भी जांच करेगी? ये हमारा सवाल है।
BJP has slammed the controversial Kashmir link after Delhi blast. BJP accuses Mehbooba Mufti of seemingly backing terror, saying she is speaking for the terrorists and echoing their language. Listen in.
अब देखिए, ऐसा जब बयान कोई बोलता है ना, तो ऐसा लगता है कि वो चुनौती दे रहा है और ऐसी घटनाओं के पीछे उसका सह है। अब महबूबा मुफ्ती जैसे लोग जो बयान दे रहे हैं कि आप कश्मीर की बात करो, लो अभी दिल्ली में, तो ये तो धमकी लगती है।
महबूबा मुफ्ती की नसीहत की आवश्यकता इस देश को नहीं है। झंझोर करके देखें, उनको खुद को पता चलेगा कि उनकी बयानबाजी पाकिस्तान में बैठे हुए आतंकवादियों को किस प्रकार से पनाह देती है।
मैडम महबूबा मुफ्ती साहिबा जो जम्मू कश्मीर की फॉर्मर चीफ मिनिस्टर रही हैं, अच्छा होता वो अच्छाई को बोलती, लोगों की लाशों पर सियासत नहीं होनी चाहिए।
Let's open this up and let's go across to our guests. We're joined by Lalit Ambardar, activist, Dr. Akashdeep Muni, political analyst, Ravi Srivastav, also a political analyst, and we're expecting Radhika Kheda of the Bharatiya Janata Party, national spokesperson of the BJP, to join us anytime now. Let me first go across to Ravi Srivastav. Ravi Srivastav, look at everything that is wrong with what Mehbooba Mufti said and was backed by Hussain Dalwai. So if you're facing injustice, it's all right for you to choose the path of terror. Jaakar ke terror attack kar dijiye. In case there's injustice happening with you personally, individually, go pick up arms, go wage a war.
Good evening, Swati. First of all, picking up arms is absolutely undesirable, unwarranted, and nobody should do that. But what I'm seeing is that Mehbooba Mufti is a tall leader from Kashmir, J&K. She had been a former chief minister. So if she says something, is everything okay in J&K? Is there peace in J&K? It is now 6.5 years since that the Article 370 abrogation had taken place. Why the government could not bring the peace over there? Why the desired things have not been done there? It means it needs a probe that somewhere something is wrong. There are people like doctors.
But Ravi
are
Srivastava,
getting radicalized.
you do realize that there is a probe which is currently underway, that the NI has also now made second arrest in the entire case. But all that the politicians are looking for is to do politics on this issue. To say कि कश्मीर में जो हमारी मुसीबत है, you're linking entire region. You're linking the entire region to the blast, to the terror attack that has taken place in the national capital. On what basis? And then to say हमारी जो मुसीबत है वो वहां नजर आ रही है. Is that not justification of terror?
I have a reason to say that today Dr. Priyanka has been arrested from Rohtak. So how can you give the spin that this all is done by one particular community?
No, who gave that spin? Who gave that spin?
This is what the entire BJP is saying.
Who gave that spin? No, Mr. Srivastava, be specific. Be specific. Be specific. Who gave that spin? Because the first such reaction came in from Hussain Dalwai and Tariq Anwar, who both affiliate themselves to the Congress, are both part of the Congress, who said the first thing that they do is कि मुसलमान को पकड़ के जेल में डाल दो और target the Muslims. That spin came in from the Congress first.
This is entirely bomb blast happened right on the day when the Bihar polling was taking place.
Okay, so now you've gone to Bihar.
Somewhere something is corrected.
Okay, now you've gone to Bihar. Is this not justification of terror, Ravi Srivastava?
Bomb blast before the polling, before the election, another attempt to polarize the whole nation.
All right, so give a clean sheet to the terrorists because किसी ने करवाया है bomb blast because Bihar elections. All right, that continues, Ravi Srivastava. That continues. I expected that you will condemn this. You will say that a terror attack is a terror attack. Don't link it to elections. Don't link it to a religion. But there we go again. Let me go across to Radhika Kheda. हिंदू मुसलमान आप करते रहेंगे. RSS को आप probe करेंगे कि नहीं? Those are questions that Hussain Dalwai of the Congress has asked. He says RSS role should also be probed.
RSS role should be probed for what? For trying to maintain peace in the country, for coming out to help people whenever there's an issue or there's a problem. He's forgetting that his own leader Jawaharlal Nehru or Indira Gandhi have always praised the RSS. So the Congress party is confused themselves. They don't know what they want, what their leaders stand for, and what the entire party stands for. But what is very unfortunate and very sad that today the Congress has openly come out to be known as Deshdrohis. When you stand for the terrorists, when you have reasons to support the terrorists and you want to divert the attention from the actual terrorists to other things because you want to save the terrorists. See, it's not just Dalwai that it is limited to. Whether you see that in the Latbandhan, they are the Latbandhan because they're also fighting amongst themselves. Whether you have Mehbooba Mufti, she has a problem. Whether you have Sanjay Singh, he has a problem. Whether you have the former chief minister and the father of the current chief minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Farooq Abdullah, yesterday he went on to say that Operation Sindoor only got you nothing. So it is a continuous process that we are not only seeing from the Congress, but under the leadership of the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, because he categorically started it first. He went on to say from Indira Bhavan that my fight is against the Indian state.
Okay.
Now, when your fight is against the Indian state, of course, your chamchas of the alliance are going to come up and say anything. But it is very sad. Even Sanjay Raut.
But Radhika Kheda, Mehbooba Mufti says ये जो कश्मीर में हमारी मुसीबत है ये दिखाई दे रही है. She's linking it to Jammu Kashmir. Another Congress leader says this is a result of the injustice which is happening. Ravi Srivastava says this shows everything that is wrong in Jammu Kashmir.
What is wrong in Jammu Kashmir? Terror incidents have come down by 68%. Jihadi incidents have come down by 80%. There were 9,300 terror incidents in the 10 years of UPA government. I didn't speak over you. Shut up.
Ravi Srivastava ji, 1 second. Okay, all right, ladies and gentlemen, please relax. Go ahead.
Thank you. The terror incidents have come out. And now you're also forgetting yesterday they even had a problem when the terrorist house was burned down. They are there to save these people because they want to create unrest, and that is their vote bank. They have gone so crazy for the vote bank that they are seeing nothing beyond it. We are the only party that had the courage to remove Article 370 from Kashmir without thinking that वहां पे हमारी सरकार आएगी कि नहीं आएगी. We went on to take that step for the nation. 70 years this country has been facing Naxalbad. Today, because of our government, Naxalbad is almost coming to an end. But again, yet, you have the same Congress party standing up for the Naxals also. No, you should not finish Naxalbad.
Is that what it has all been reduced to? Is that what it has all come down to? Just appeasement politics? Dr. Muni, and when you say, the elections happen on the eve of Bihar polls, or when you say, let's look at the circumstances why somebody chose the path of terrorism, or to say that probe the role of RSS. Are you not taking the entire attention away from the terror module, the terrorists themselves, and hence the allegation that this is nothing but backing terrorism, terrorists, and giving a clean chit to them for political gains?
Swati ji, we have to know that who was saying this. Mehbooba Mufti was in alliance with Bharatiya Janata Party. Ram Madhav's many comments are good for Mehbooba Mufti. And this Mehbooba Mufti, they are now criticizing it. आपके अपने ही alliance के partner थे पहले. आज आप criticize कर रहे हो. आप कांग्रेस के साथ क्यों लिंक कर रहे हो? वो तो बीजेपी के पार्टनर थे. स्वाति जी, पहली बात. दूसरी बात, हुसैन दलवाई के स्टेटमेंट्स पे भाई जगताप कितनी बार बोल चुके हैं कांग्रेस से कि उनके पर्सनल स्टेटमेंट्स है, कांग्रेस पार्टी के स्टेटमेंट्स नहीं है. तो ये भी चला लीजिए उसके साथ. और तीसरी बात इंपॉर्टेंट जो है कि
ये बहुत स्टैंडर्ड डिफेंस है डॉक्टर मुनी. व्हेन पी चिदंबरम सेज समथिंग, डिस्टेंस योरसेल्फ फ्रॉम पी चिदंबरम, डिस्टेंस योरसेल्फ फ्रॉम हुसैन दलवाई, डिस्टेंस योरसेल्फ फ्रॉम तारिक अनवर. आप इशू कर दीजिए ना कांग्रेस पार्टी की तरफ से एक स्टेटमेंट दैट डोंट मेक स्टेटमेंट्स आउट ऑफ टर्न ऑन इश्यूज लाइक टेररिज्म एंड नेशनल सिक्योरिटी.
ठीक है, सुनिए तो सही. ठीक है, आपको भाई जगताप का स्टेटमेंट नहीं चाहिए. ठीक है,
क्यों नहीं चाहिए? वो बोल रहे हैं तो मैंने आपको कहा ना, आपका स्टैंडर्ड डिफेंस है.
मैं एग्री कर रहा हूं आपसे.
डिस्टेंस
मैं एग्री कर रहा हूं कि कांग्रेस पार्टी को डिस्टेंस करना चाहिए. और मैं आज चाहता हूं कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी ये बताए कि उनका स्टेटमेंट क्या है, उनका पोजीशन क्या है. मोदी जी बताए आज जो स्पोक्सपर्सन बैठे हैं उनके थ्रू कि उनका स्टेटमेंट क्या है अशोक सिंघल पे, जो असम के कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर फॉर हेल्थ एंड फैमिली वेलफेयर है, जिन्होंने बोला कि बिहार अप्रूव्स गोभी फार्मिंग आफ्टर बिहार विन. गोभी फार्मिंग इज अ डॉग whistle reference to the horrific 1989 Bhagalpur riots in Bihar, one of the darkest episodes of communal violence, where the riots happened by Ram Janmabhoomi movement. Over 1,000 people, predominantly Muslims, were killed in a span of weeks. In the Logan village, massacre happened. 116
Radhika Kheda wants to come in.
And उसके ऊपर गोभी बना दिया गया.
Radhika Kheda wants to come in.
आप एक सिटिंग मिनिस्टर बोल रहा है और स्वाति जी मेरा चुप मत कराइएगा अभी.
अरे क्यों चुप कराऊंगी मैं आपको? मैं तो कह रही हूँ कि राधिका खेड़ा wants to respond.
स्लॉटर करके, सुनिए पूरी बात, 116 मुसलमानों को स्लॉटर करके वहां पे गोभी डाल दिया गया था उसको छुपाने के लिए. और इनके सिटिंग मिनिस्टर बोलते हैं कि बिहार अप्रूव्स गोभी फार्मिंग. मोदी जी का क्या राय है इस पे?
जवाब आप अपनी, ठीक है. You don't want to, you don't, okay, all right, take a response now, go ahead. Radhika Kheda.
So since he's saying that Bhai Jagtap has said that is Hussain Dalwai's own statement. Well, Are bhaiya, I didn't speak over you na. So control your tongue and have the patience. Nobody in the country wants to listen to you. Maharashtra has given a reply now, so has Bihar. So now you listen. If Bhai Jagtap says that this is Hussain Dalwai's own statement, well, let's wait for Congress party and a letter from KC Venugopal saying that they throw Hussain Dalwai out of the party. Continuous statements are coming, and starting from Rahul Gandhi. Why has Khadgeji not taken any action against Rahul Gandhi for saying from Indira Bhavan that my fight is against the Indian state? He is the main culprit over here. First action should be taken on the owner of Congress party. He is the one who's instigating all these people. Again and again, these statements are coming. What action has Congress party taken?
Okay.
No action. That means it is absolutely clear that they agree with the terms. No, these people, their spokespersons daily go on social media and they abuse the Prime Minister. Their leaders go on to create a Hindu-Muslim rift because they want their vote bank to fall towards them. No action is taken against them. It's very clear that those are the actual
both sides leveling the allegation of playing the Hindu-Muslim card, playing divisive politics. I want to bring in Lalit Ambardar. Lalit Ambardar, if one is talking about injustice, what about the injustice that the Kashmiri Pandits had to face? Integral part of Kashmir. And I wonder what suggestion would be given to that community today if this is being justified. Ki agar Kashmir mein problem hai, injustice hai, it will reflect in the bomb blast taking place.
First of all, about this Congress leader having made this obnoxious statement, let me say on your channel, every time on every platform, I have been saying that Congress is mimicking pre-partition Muslim League of Jinnah. Now I think they have reached a level, they have become a quasi-state spokesperson of Islamabad. Right from questioning Operation Sindoor, then even making accusations that India has lost fighters, like and even now speaking about what Kashmir is, justifying or condoning Lal Killa terror jihadi attack. You know, this Hussain Dalwai, I'm sure he's going to make headlines in Pakistan today. And next Dozier they will be submitting UN. His name as a Congress representative will be there. Number two, about Mahbooba Mufti, I'm not surprised about what she has said. I will reply to you in the last what you said about Kashmiri Hindu genocide. When Mahbooba Mufti belongs to a party called PDP. PDP's official agenda is called, it's a document, manifesto, is called self-rule. On top of self-rule is the agenda of the self-rule on top is joint control of Pakistan and India over Kashmir. That means if prior to 2019, 5th August 2019, if we had only Jammu and Kashmir flag and Indian flag on Secretariat in Srinagar and Jammu, agar unki chalti, she would have had Pakistani flag also there because Pakistan se unka rishta kya la. Now about Kashmiri Hindus, can you imagine these guys are speaking about injustice being met, so-called injustice being done in Kashmir. That's why it's being reflected. It's not only these two have made this statement. I don't want to name the person, academician who has been holding a constitutional position. He also said it. It's a reaction to what's happening in Kashmir. Let me say to them all on these morons, if Kashmiri Hindus who have suffered genocide in Kashmir by Kashmiri Islam, I always say all Kashmiri Muslims are responsible for Kashmiri Hindu genocide, either having executed themselves in rape, murder, mass murder, or choosing voluntarily silence when their neighbors being haunted out of Kashmir. Now, if we start the reaction, God forbid, what will happen in the rest of the country? Not one Muslim has been targeted anywhere in the country post genocidal exodus of Kashmiri Hindus in Kashmir.
बहुत दुख की बात है कि एक सिटिंग हेल्थ मिनिस्टर दंगे करवाने की बात कर रहा है और यहाँ पे एक पॉलिटिशियन राजनेता राधिका खेड़ा उस पे चुप्पी साधे हुए बैठी हुई है। उनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि कोई लोग मरे। ये देश है हमारा जहाँ पे ये ऐसे राजनेता है जो लोगों को मारना चाहते हैं, वो चाहते कि लोग मरे और वहां पे गोभी बना दिया जाए। ये क्या देश हम बना रहे हैं? क्या देश हम बना रहे हैं? और ये अभी भी आंसर नहीं करेंगे, राहुल गांधी करते रहेंगे। ये शर्म की बात है कि जेनोसाइड की बात एक सिटिंग हेल्थ मिनिस्टर कर रहा है और उसको कोई कार्रवाई नहीं किया जा रहा है। और मैं चिल्लाता रहूंगा, कोई सुनेगा नहीं, ना मीडिया उठाएगी, ना ये
चिल्ला रहे हैं। जो मुद्दा उठा रहे हैं हम सुन रहे हैं, राधिका खेड़ा रिस्पॉन्ड भी करना चाह रही, बट वी कैन ऑल्सो सी हाउ यू आर रनिंग अवे from taking a stand on what Mahbooba Mufti, Hussain Dalwai and others have said. You are refusing to take a stand on that. But you're seeking clarification from Radhika Kheda. She wants to come in.
कोई कहीं दंगे नहीं हो रहे हैं। आप चिल्ला के झूठ बोलना चाह रहे हैं, चिल्लाने से झूठ सच में नहीं बदल जाता। The problem with the Congress and their so-called supporters is that, Swati, that from every issue they try to create this havoc and try to show that the country is finished and everything is going wrong in the country. From Rahul Gandhi going to US and saying that minorities here are being harassed by the government, to saying that democracy khatre mein hai, to going to the point that Samvidhan khatam hone wala hai, and God knows what all they had said during the election, and he still goes on till today. Rahul Gandhi disappeared from India during the Bihar election. No one will question that. Suddenly there's a bomb blast in Delhi. No, because he keeps talking about hydrogen bomb. No one will question that. He says that his fight is against the nation. No one will question that. They try to incite violence. They try to make Hindus and Muslims fight. Let's go.
No, but Radhika Kheda, Mr. Muni says that controversial statements made by BJP leaders or those associated, affiliated with the BJP or the NDA is very conveniently ignored, while you only point out what the opposition says. How do you respond to that criticism?
Because the BJP is not the one who is saying and trying to incite the youth by saying कि भारत को नेपाल और बांग्लादेश में बदल दो, Swati. That's a fact. It is the RJD which on record a day before their alliance partner, a day before the results in Bihar, said if the Bihar results do not come in favor of RJD, India will turn into Nepal and Bangladesh. And let me also remind you, Uddhav Thackeray in an India Alliance their Gadbandhan rally just a couple of days back, there was a Muslim lady with staring stage with these Congress leaders, and Uddhav Thackeray sitting over there while she was saying कि India बहुत जल्द And Uddhav Thackeray was silently listening to her. She was saying India बहुत जल्द नेपाल बनने वाला है. She said रामायण दिखाना बंद कर दो, रामायण गलत नतीजों
Everything reduced to everything reduced to Hindu-Muslim debate. Even investigation into a terror attack. Ravi Srivastava, then Lalita Ambardar.
I want to ask the activist from Jammu Kashmir that can he tell me that how many Kashmiri Pandits have returned back to Kashmir, Srinagar since this 6.5 years? Can you tell me the number? Second thing, who is printing the name of leaders in Pakistan? Mr. Vijay Shah, the minister of Madhya Pradesh, who was calling Colonel Sophia Karoshi a sister of terrorists.
Okay, Ravi Srivastava, take a response now. Lalit Ambardar wants to come in.
This is the BJP.
Okay, Lalit Ambardar.
Sure. Both very good question from this Congress supporter, right?
I'm
Listen,
not Congress, sir.
Kashmiri
I'm
Hindu
supporter
नहीं है.
I'm independent.
We are
Okay,
not.
independent.
We are not
He's not
sheep.
supporting anyone.
We will not. आप आंसर सुनिए. सारे सुनिए मुझे. Okay, he's independent. All right. But all right. Kashmiri Hindus are not sheep that you throw them out and then you push them into a truck and go back. If you're really concerned about Kashmiri Hindus, you're really concerned about Kashmiri Hindu genocide, please ask the government, ask the Parliament of India to officially acknowledge what Kashmiri Hindus suffered was genocide. Put up a tribunal, investigate Farooq Abdullah, Mufti Muhammad Sayyid posthumously, what was their role in Kashmiri Hindus' exodus from Kashmir. Penalize people, hang Yasin Malik, hang all those who are going free in Kashmir, who are involved in rape, murder, mass murder of Kashmiri Hindus, murder of 3 Air Force officers. He is still living in Delhi in Tihar jail. Ask for hanging of that person.
Okay.
Then you question Kashmiri Hindus. I'll go back
please respond to
after
that,
I
Swati?
get justice. After you have please, ma'am, let me complete. After Pannun Kashmir Union Territory created within Kashmir for
All
me.
right.
And about the Kashmir, this calling what terrorism is not, Kashmir is a law. No, please let me conclude. You know what happened when they were having last assembly election? They were campaigning in Kashmir, all these mainstream parties, including Congress, National Conference, PDP. When Hassan Nasrallah of Hezbollah was killed in Beirut, can you imagine? These 3 Islamist mainstream parties, they abandoned their campaign in honor of the terrorists.
Dr.
That
Moody,
party,
Dr. Moody, not the first time that such statements have made that sound like justification.
mainstream parties.
Sound like justification or being a terror apologist. Whether it was for Burhan Wani, whether it was for Manan Wani.
See, Swati ji, I totally don't agree with these people. I'm not a terror apologist. And I agree with Lalit Ambardar ji that the parliament of this country should make a way for Kashmiri Hindus to return back. But Lalit Ambardar ji, on your right side, Radhika Kheda is there. She is in power. You have to ask her. Ravi Srivastava can't do anything. He's just a political analyst. She is in power. You have to ask her. And second point, I'm still to hear a word from Radhika Kheda is what Modi ji says on gobi farming.
Okay, Radhika Kheda.
Can I respond?
Radhika Kheda wants to
Please
come.
answer, ma'am. Please
I
answer.
respond to the Kashmiri Pandits returning to the valley. In July 2021, Swati, the government said it on the floor of parliament that 3,841 Kashmiri Hindu youths had moved back to the valley under a rehabilitation program. Also in February 2022, 610 properties belonging to migrant Kashmiri Hindus have been restored in the last 5 years. The latest numbers will soon again be put forward in parliament. Yes, it is not a very big number that is happening, but considering what had happened, it is a slow process. For 70 years, this country has suffered. We have suffered and all our people are suffering, and it has just been 11 years, and the kind of things that we have had to resort to, we have removed Article 370 so that they can come back. We are fighting against terror, we are fighting against the, we are finishing
All right.
the
The only point that I'm trying to make here is wait for the agencies to do their job, to investigate. The NI has called it a terror attack. They are continuously in the process of arresting people, of trying to connect the dots to ensure that the perpetrators are booked. At such a time, in a critical stage of the investigation, the politics certainly can wait. Radhika Kheda and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining us.